Hello and welcome to an update on the DXY. So just want to start here briefly on the long-term chart just to show again that it's entirely possible that very soon we're going to start a larger bounce. That could be a B-wave rally. Disregard the timeline, please. It can happen much quicker, but obviously this would be likely a B-wave bounce in our white scenario after a 5-wave move to the upside completed in 2022. And we had a long correction. I mean, that correction has now lasted 3 years of DXY weakness, dollar weakness. And so that could flip soon because we are reaching the lower boundary line of the trend channel. We are reaching the 38.2 retracement, couple of support levels overlap there. And even from an Elliott Wave point of view, the move to the downside can be considered complete even on the micro level now. So, for example, what we also use is the Fibonacci extension tool to determine ideal targets. And very often the C wave reaches the 100% extension, $95.83. We haven't quite reached it, but we're very, very close. So it's the area where I'd be watching for a reversal to the upside. At the moment, it cannot be confirmed yet as the smaller time frame reveals, because this is really now this is the 4-hour chart. You see here this downtrend, how it unfolded. Also here from the local top in January, we have a 5-wave move down, especially this last low now completed what was likely a 5th wave of wave 5. So it's what we needed to complete this white scenario to the downside that we talked about in previous updates. But just because we have made a lower low doesn't mean we have bottomed, yeah. But the price has reached Fibonacci levels, yeah, ideal targets and so on. Even the lower boundary line of this trend channel here, not exactly, but again, you have to have a little bit of inaccuracy on those different time frames, and it's close enough. It's close enough, but I cannot rule out another low. It's just that with that one more low, the wave count in white can now be considered really complete. But if we now see another low, that would simply be seen as an extension of wave 5. It's just that this is the area where we're watching for reversal. For a first signal that we've bottomed, I need to see a break above the $98.80 level. Better would be a move above $100.26, yeah. And obviously, I'm also going to watch the Elliott Wave structures. Ultimately, what I need to see is a 5-wave move up. And then if a 3-wave move down follows, that means basically an upside breakout, ideally in 5 waves, and the pullback that holds a higher low, that would be a proper reversal signal. For now, just watching here what happens and if upside momentum increases. This here was already also a possible turning point, but it ended as a 3-wave move, which never gives us high confidence that a reversal is underway. You see what happened after the 3-wave move up, formed another low. Not a surprise after a 3-wave move up. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you enjoyed the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.